Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can speed up Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. There are a few things that we can do in order to speed up our device a little bit. So the first thing that I want to show you is the clean memory option and RAM boost. So if we go to the settings, we need to scroll down to device care. And once you are in over here, you want to go to memory, tap on memory. And after a few seconds, we should see the details of the memory. And over here, we can clean our memory by pressing this button. And we will pretty much close every app that has been running in the background and release some memory. We can free up the memory like so. Another thing that we can do is choose RAM Plus option over here. If you didn't do the clean memory option before, then you will need to pretty much scroll all the way down to find this option. But at the bottom, we have the RAM Plus, and over here we can convert our storage space to virtual memory, and we can choose up to 8 GB. You will need to restart your phone in order to apply the changes, but this is how we can get more RAM, and this definitely helps you with improving the speed of the device. Another thing that we can do is, if we go back to device care, we can go to storage, and over here we can free up some space. We, for instance, have trash, so here we'll find everything that we have not removed for the last 30 days. I mean, something that we have removed. But when you remove something, then it stays in the trash for 30 days. And you can manually remove everything permanently forever. So what you need to do is, sorry, not here. You can go to My Files, for instance, and then tap on these three dots. Sorry, not this. We need to select the item. Over here on the top left corner we have all, and when we select all, then we can tap delete all, and then once again delete, and everything should be removed. We can also go to contacts and calendar in order to do a pretty similar thing. And when we go back in the manage storage option, over here we can also find unused apps. So here we'll see the list of apps that we do not use. And if you feel like you actually do not use the app, then you can select it and then uninstall the app in order to free up the storage and therefore also speed up the device a little bit. So feel free to do that as well. Now, another thing that we can do is go back to the settings, and here we want to go to accessibility, and then in accessibility go to vision enhancements. Here we want to scroll down a little bit and we can reduce animations. So if you don't want to use some screen effects, then you can disable them, and as you can see, it runs a little bit faster because we are skipping the animations. So definitely worth trying and testing it out. Now, I personally prefer to use animations, but in your case you might prefer to not use them. And the last thing that we can do is enable the high refresh rate. So what we need to do is go to display settings, and over here goes to motion smoothness, and here you want to use the adaptive option. This definitely feels like running faster because if we switch to standard, then the screen feels like lagging, and if you switch back to adaptive, then we will use up to 120 screen refresh rate. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.